Good job, Zubin.
There you go. Keep going, buddy.
Good job, Zubin. Hold on, hold on.
Keep pulling your knees all the way up high.
I know, just like the 100-pound weight. Trust me.
You got no idea. Alright. We're doing it at 9 o'clock this morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
No idea.
Put your hand higher. Put your hand higher.
This is just doing a strap, not a 1-inch strap. Keep going up, buddy. Push up. There you go.
Good job, Zubin.
Come on,
Push up, push up.
With your right. There you go.
Push up.
Push up with your legs. Stand up, Zubin. Go ahead.
Good job.
Pull your legs up. Look, yeah, there you go. Keep going.
Push up, push up.
Push up, push up, stand up. There you go.
Keep. Yeah, there's a stone there, Zubin. You can keep your leg there.
Halfway there. Yup, keep going. Pull your right foot up. There you go. You got it. I know, that's what I'm saying. You're like, be like Spider-Man. Push yourself up. There you go. A little bit further.
Good job, Zubin. You're almost there. Good job.
Yes, the kitty can touch.
Good job, Zubin.
Come on, hit the bell. One more step. Ring the bell, buddy.
Good job, Zubin.
All right. Hold on to the rope with your hands and push off the wall with your feet. Put your feet on the wall, flat. Not your hands, your feet.
Good job.